Hey, welcome to Back to the Roots, an urban mushroom farm in Oakland, California. My name is Jared, but right now I'm having some fun cooking in my kitchen, so you can call me Chef Gerard. I'm gonna show you how to make teriyaki mushroom pear salad. I'm gonna use these mushrooms that I've grown myself right out of this little brown box. Now these ones are massive. It only took about 10 to 14 days to grow them. All you have to do is open it up, add some water, and then spray it a couple times a day, and these things just blow up. All right, so for this dish, the only ingredient I'm gonna cook are the mushrooms. Everything else will be raw and tossed together like a normal salad. I'm gonna use baby greens, goat cheese, teriyaki sauce, and some D'Angelo pears. Now I've grabbed a different box of mushrooms because I'm ready to cook with them. I picked this box because they're cracking a little bit around the edges, which tells me they are ready to be eaten. All I have to do to harvest is pull them right off the box, just like that. I'm gonna chop them up and throw them in my pan. The coolest thing about these is they're super fresh. It doesn't get fresher than this. Got my pan on a medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of pure olive oil, heat it up and hit it with the mushrooms. Gotta love that sizzle. Now I don't wanna let these cook too long. I wanna stick with the theme of a salad, so not overly cooked, probably, 3-4 minutes. Now that my mushrooms are golden brown, I'm gonna add a drizzle of teriyaki sauce to coat the mushrooms, give it a kind of sweet flavor. A quick stir and I'll take it off the heat. Nice. Now I've got the sweet flavor of the teriyaki sauce already on the mushrooms. I want to add some lime juice and olive oil to round out the dressing of the salad and then mix everything together. All right, I've got my baby greens in the bowl. I'm gonna add my mushrooms, which are looking lovely. Pear, thinly sliced, about half of a lime, a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Get that goat cheese in there. I'm just gonna start stirring it up. The awesome thing about the goat cheese is it gets all creamy and it just adds that creamy element to it. All right, so I've got my salad all mixed together. It's taster time. Yeah, I love the baby mixed greens. Excellent color and good texture and that creaminess of the goat cheese and the meaty texture of the mushrooms afterwards. Awesome salad. This is a teriyaki mushroom pear salad.